Hello. Well, just a quick update to let everybody know how I'm doing. It's 2 days since my surgery, and yesterday I actually probably did more than I should have, and I found out that bending over is not really a great thing. I bend over to feed the cat, do a few things, puts a lot of pressure up here. But other than that, things are going really well. This is the incision, and it's covered by, I think they call it Dermabond, basically super glue. There are sutures inside that are the kind that will dissolve, so no stitches need to be taken out or anything. Surgeon says everything went well, so I go back in 2 weeks to see him. Already, I'm really stiff and sore from the surgery, but already I feel like I'm moving a little more freely. What was amazing is I did some embroidery last night. I used my hands a lot, and normally if I sew anything by hand, even just a little bit, then the next day I have a hard time even opening my fingers. My hand will be really swollen and sore. And today, I did a lot of embroidery last night and did some today, and my hands are still feeling great. I don't have any numbness, which they said the numbness would be like the last thing to resolve, but it seems like it's been the first thing for me. My fingers are working. I can thread a needle. I can do small things that I couldn't do before. So far, really happy with it. Sore throat. You can probably tell I'm got a little deeper voice than normal. And just a lot of soreness in here. There's still swelling. Swelling is probably still going to get worse tomorrow. They said 2 or 3 days after surgery it continues to swell, and then after that it should start to get better. Had a little bit of sleep apnea last night because of the swelling inside, and so I had to reposition so I could breathe a little better. But overall, I'm not even taking the pain meds that they gave me. I'm taking my normal things that I've always taken. I take some gabapentin for nerve pain, but no, I haven't needed any of the heavy pain medications, no opioids, and I'm really doing pretty great. So the only thing that we're worried about right now is there has been a little bit more of the outbreak of coronavirus in our area, and so we had already planned to be quarantined because right now, I know that you don't believe it, but I am over 50. And so that already puts me in a higher risk area, and then I just had surgery. So we're being pretty careful around here. We haven't gone overboard. We did not buy a semi-truckload of toilet paper because I don't really understand why you would. But anyway, we're just kind of taking it easy and hanging at home. So if anything else develops, I'll let you know. I'll check back in a few days. Thanks.